Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So God bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending designs of handmade crochet baby top ideas. These are very amazing collections, so viewer please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope viewer you all love these type of beautiful and trending collection. So you will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and very trending designs of handmade crochet baby top ideas. It's very aesthetic collection and your baby very feel very comfort in these beautiful designs. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and outstanding ideas. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet baby's top ideas. It's very amazing collection and you can see all the designs are very outstanding and fresh. So pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful articles for your kids for more beautiful and outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. Now viewer, I am share with you some benefits of crochet baby top designs. So these are the benefits including practical benefits. It's a comfortable crochet baby top are soft, breathable and gentle for sensitive skins. Easy to care for, machine washable and dryable, versatile, sustainable, suitable for everyday wear, special occasions and layerings. Emotional benefits: personalized crochet gifts, handmade crochet top show love and care, unique one of a kind design, family heirlooms crochet top can become treasured keepsakes, and health benefits: natural fibers, many crochet yarns are chemical free, breathability, crochet materials allow for airflow reducing overheated, soft on skin, perfect for sensitive skins. Environmental benefits: sustainable, eco-friendly yarn available, long-lasting, well-made crochet tops can be passed down. Other benefits: cost-effective, crocheting a top can be budget-friendly. Creative expression, crocheting allows for creativity, relaxation hobby. Creating your crocheting can be gaming. Popular crochet baby top styles: simple tank top and adorable hooded tops, rainbow top, cute cardigans, long sleeved top for colder climates, tapes for crocheting baby tops. Choose soft breathable yarn and consider baby's age and size. Keep designs simple for beginners. So I hope you all are agree and understand with all type of benefits and designs. So viewer, if you all love these article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Viewer, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my lovely viewers. See you soon. Take care and bye bye. Be support me like this forever. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.